Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now let's start question number 7. Okay, Mr. Gupta borrowed rupees 10,000 from his friend Mr. Malik at 10% per annum simple interest for 3 years. He lent this money to Mr. Goel at double the rate for the same duration but compounded it annually. ओके फाइंड हिज गेन आफ्टर 3 years. ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स जो मिस्टर गुप्ता है उसने 10,000 मनी बोरो ली है अपने फ्रेंड से. ओके 10% पर एनम पर एंड 3 years के लिए. सो उसने अब मिस्टर गोयल को मनी डबल रेट पर बोरो दी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बट जो ड्यूरेशन थी वो सेम थी, बट अब जो उसने इंटरेस्ट लिया वो कंपाउंडेड लिया, मीन्स कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो आपको उसका गेन बताना है आफ्टर 3 years. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. So students, first of all we have this money, so that is the principal for this. Okay, so here principal is 10,000. Okay, and here rate is 10% and time is 3 years. Okay, so जो उसने फाइंड किया यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट, वो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड किया. ओके, सो here सिंपल इंटरेस्ट विल बी that is P into R into T upon 100. Here P is 10,000, R is 10 and that is 3 upon 100. 20 cancel by this 20, so that means 3,000. Okay, so that is the SI. Is that clear? Okay students, now we will find the compound interest. Okay, so for compound interest, here principal is दैट इज 10,000 गिवन था, बट स्टूडेंट जब उसने मनी उसे मिस्टर गोयल को दी, सो उसमें जो रेट था वो 20% हो गया. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स डबल ऑफ द रेट. ओके, सो हेयर रेट इज 10%, सो नाउ रेट इज 20%. ओके, सो डबल ऑफ दिस रेट एंड टाइम विल बी सेम बिकॉज सेम ड्यूरेशन. सो हेयर टाइम इज, दैट मीन्स 3 years. So now we will find the compound interest. Okay, so interest for first year, student, that is P into R into T upon 100. Okay, P into R into T upon 100. Here P is 10,000, R is 20 and time is 1 year because of 1 year upon 100. 20 cancel by this 20. So we have students 2,000. Okay, so 2,000, that is the interest for 1 year. Here amount will be principal plus interest. So here principal is 10,000 and interest is 2,000, so that will be 12,000. Okay, that is the amount and this is the principal for second year also. Okay, so now interest for second year, so that will be, that is the principal for this and rate will be 20 and time will be 1 upon 100. Okay, so 20 cancel by this 20, so we have 12 to the 24, that means 2400. Okay students, so that is the interest for 2 year, that is 2400. Okay, now here amount is principal plus interest, that means 12,000 plus 2400, so that will be 4 and that is 2 to 4 and that is 1. Okay students, so here amount and that will be the principal for third year. Okay, so now interest for third year. So student, that is the principal here into R is 20 and that is 1 and upon 100. Okay, so 20 cancel by this 20. So students, here 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So student, that is the interest for third year. Okay, is that clear? Okay students, so now compound interest for 3 years. Okay students, so that will be interest for the first year, that is 2,000 and interest for the second year, that is 2,400 and interest for the third year, that is 2,880. So students, now add them and we have, that is, okay students, is that clear? So students, now we find the gain after 3 years. So students, that means here gain is, so CI minus SI. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने गेन फाइंड करना है. सो CI जो था आपका ये था एंड SI जो था आपका 3,000 था. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग देम वी गेट 4280. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दैट इज द गेन. ओके, दैट मीन्स हमने जो उसे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में फाइंड किया वो 3000 था, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट उसका इतना था, तो आप गेन बता सकते हैं ना माइनस करके इजीली. सो गेन हमने फाइंड किया इन्हें माइनस करके, सो दैट इज 4220. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the next question is question number 8. Find the amount in compound interest on rupees 20,000 compounded annually for 3 years. The rate of the interest being 5%, 10% and 12% respectively. Okay student, that means आपको amount find करना है, compound interest find करना है rupees 20,000 पे 3 years के लिए, जिसमें जो rate given है फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए रेट डिफरेंट गिवन है, सेकंड ईयर के लिए डिफरेंट एंड थर्ड ईयर के डिफरेंट. सो आपको ऐसे कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो हेयर प्रिंसिपल इज दैट इज 20,000. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड हेयर टाइम इज दैट इज 3 years. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड हेयर रेट इज गिवन. yes, here R1 is 5%, R2 is 10% and R3 is 12%. Is that clear? Is that clear? So students, now we will find the compound interest. So for compound interest, yes students, first of all we find the interest for first year. Interest for first year, that will be P into R into T upon 100. So students, here P is 20,000. ओके, एंड आर इज दैट मीन्स R1 क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए है, दैट इज 5. ओके, एंड हेयर टी इज 1 ईयर के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हैं, सो दैट विल बी 1. ओके, सो वी हैव 2 5s 10, सो दैट मीन्स 1000. ओके, सो दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1 ईयर. सो हेयर I1 इज 1000. ओके, नाउ what is the amount here? So that will be principal plus interest. So principal is here 20,000 and that is 1000. So students, we have 21,000. Okay, so that is the amount, or we can say that is the principal for second year. Okay, so interest for second year. So that is the principal here 21,000 and R for second year, so that is 10 and 1 upon 100. So this 20 cancel by this 20, so we have 2100. Okay, so here the interest for second year. Okay, is that clear? Here amount is principal plus interest, so that means principal is here 21,000 and interest is here 2100, so that will be 1 and that is 2 and 1 that is 3 and that is 2. Okay students, this is the principal for third year. Okay, so students, now interest for third year. That will be, that is the principal here R3, that means 3 years के लिए जो R है, and that is 1 upon 100. Okay, so 20 cancel by this 20, so that means 2772. Okay students, okay, so that is the interest for third year. Okay, now what is the amount here? So amount will be principal plus interest, so principal is here, okay, and interest is here. Okay, now we add them, that is 7 and 1 that is 8 and that is 5 and that is 2. So student, that is the amount here. Okay, amount भी आपको find करना था, so amount आपने find कर दिया. Now we find the compound interest. So students, compound interest for 3 years. So that will be interest for first year, interest for second year and interest for third year. So that is I1 is here 1000, I2 is here 2100 and I3 is here 2772. Okay, so now we add them, that is 2, that is 7 and that is 7 and 1 8 and that is 2 to 4 and then 1 5. So student, that is the compound interest. Okay, rupees 5,872. So that is your answer. Okay students. Okay, so now that's all for today, and students, if you have any doubts, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.